For many years, the women of Klaksvík worked hard to establish a Faroese school of home economics. Finally, in 1974, this effort bore fruit and the Home Economics College was at last founded. Today, the college is an independent, self-governing institution with a combined faculty and staff of 8. The college's mission is to provide an intensive 7-month residential training program for the young people of the Faroes, as well as offer other related courses and training. Students come from all parts of the country. The number of applicants is quite large, but there are only places for 21 students. Part of the coursework involves learning how to cook. The focus of the course is not only on the historical and cultural context of Faroese food, but also on wholesome and nutritious food and the promotion of a healthy lifestyle in general. The college also features a wide variety of exciting and creative courses in handicrafts and the arts, which are bound only by the limits of one's imagination. We strongly encourage the achievement of quality and distinction in an atmosphere that fosters fun social activities and nurtures a sense of well-being, solidarity and harmony amongst all students. During the spring semester, the college will host a rich variety of courses and training seminars through its Home Economics Institute. For example, the Institute will offer courses on fostering a healthy lifestyle, healthy food choices, and cleaning fundamentals, as well as a multitude of handicraft courses with a special emphasis on the Faroese national costume.